Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to reset and rebind your Honeywell T4 and T4R thermostats. Whether you're troubleshooting or just starting fresh, these steps will get your thermostat back in action. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to access the advanced menu. Simply press and hold both the menu and plus buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. You should now be in the advanced settings mode. Next, we're aiming for the factory reset option. Keep pressing the confirm button until you see 16FS displayed. This code stands for factory reset. Now, to perform the reset, use the plus or minus buttons to change this parameter value to 1. Hit the OK button to confirm and voila! Your thermostat will reset to its factory settings. Remember, this will wipe all your previous settings, so make sure this is really what you want to do before confirming. Now, for those of you with a T4R thermostat, we've got a couple more steps to rebind it to its receiver unit. First, check for binding issues. If you notice a red flashing light on the receiver or a flashing wireless symbol with a warning triangle on the thermostat, it means the binding has been lost. To clear the old binding settings, grab a paperclip and press the small reset hole on the receiver until both lights blink amber. This means the old settings are cleared. Next, let's put the receiver into binding mode. Press and hold the connect button on the receiver until the light flashes amber. Then, to put your thermostat into binding mode, light up the display by pressing any button. Now, press and hold both the menu and minus buttons together for 3 seconds until you see 14A on the display. Change 14A to 14C by pressing the plus button, then hit the tick button to confirm. Change the value from 0 to 1 using the plus button and press the tick button again. Press the back button twice to return to 14A. Change 14A from 0 to 1 using the plus button, then press the tick button. Finally, wait until you see the wireless symbol on the thermostat display and a solid green light on the receiver unit. This means you've successfully rebound your device. Go ahead and test the connection by adjusting the thermostat temperature to see if the receiver unit responds with a green light. And there you have it. Your Honeywell T4 or T4R thermostat is now reset and rebound. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.